Hello again, friends. Today I'm unboxing some more straws. These are metallic ones, smoothie straws, milkshake straws, whatever kind of you want to drink through your straw. Should be silicone tipped ones. So it comes with this little baggie here. It's like it feels like a canvas bag or something. Let's see if I can open that up there. All right, what do we got here? Let's see. All right. Okay, so that's cool. So it looks like we have some silicone tips here, which is kind of nice. I haven't really used a lot of metal straws, but I know that you could probably damage your teeth pretty good on them if you're not careful, like if you had it and you bump the bottom of your cup. So the silicone tips is nice. All right, these have some fatty straws here. The color is awesome. It's super sturdy. Look at that. That's a jumbo straw there for like milkshakes and stuff. So it comes with that one, a curved one. This is a straight one here. Same cool color. Oh, just dropped another silicone tip there. Another curved one, another straight one. So the good thing about these metal straws, besides the fact that they look awesome, is these are actually some shorter ones. So I'll show you the difference there. Like that. Okay. So, and then some shorter curved ones. I'll show you the difference also there. Okay, so these are all like smoothie straws here. So if you're into the smoothie thing, you know, blend up a bunch of kale and strawberries and stuff, throw in some ice cream or what have you. You're gonna want a thicker straw like this to drink it. You know, if you're gonna, sometimes you're drinking with a thin one and you try to suck up a blueberry or something, it gets stuck on the end. So these ones are kind of nice. It comes with 4 of these nice little cleaning brushes as well, so that's definitely a plus. Makes it a lot easier to clean. And let's see what else we got here. So 8 of these silicone covers too. So we got 2 green. I'll just show you the 4 different colors here. You're going to come with 2 green, 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 2 pink. So that's cool. I'll show you how they go on there real quick. Also, the edges on this, they're nice and beveled, so they're not super sharp. So you just slip this on there, your silicone cover, which is just a great idea because you know, if this bumps into your tooth, this is hard metal. So the silicone cover is definitely nice. So it's nice and soft to protect your mouth. Seems like some pretty cool straws here. I'm going to be doing a review soon, but I gotta say, I like the colors. They're super durable. The silicone tips is a great idea, and these things make it super easy to clean. Just simply throw some soap in there and you're in and out like that. So alright, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the Amazon page where you can pick these up for around $8. So I'll be doing reviews shortly, so thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time. ETPC out.